You've probably automated your backlogs, workflows, and maybe even some reporting. But what if I told you if there are three powerful tools that most agile leaders still ignore? In this video, I'll reveal the top automation platforms that CEOs should explore to elevate delivery, remove bottlenecks, and scale agile operations faster. Hey, I'm Ariestides Rosales, Agile Strategist with over 20 years working with senior leaders to implement data-driven transformations. Here's the truth. Most agile shops use only a fraction of what modern automation can do. If you want to stay competitive, it's time to go beyond Jira and dashboards. I'll show you three highly underrated tools that I recommend to every executive leading Agile at scale and how they solve real world business problems. What most leaders are missing in Agile automation. Today's Agile automation isn't about moving cards faster. It's about connecting the entire delivery system from decision making to execution. The biggest blind spot, leaders focus on tools their teams already use. Again, leaders focus on tools their teams already use and miss out on cross-functional platforms that streamline upstream and downstream tasks. Tool number one, make.com. What it does, no code automation across your entire tech stack. Use case for CEOs, auto sync project updates across tools, Jira to Slack to Google Sheets. Instantly route approvals and customer feedback to the right leaders. Why it's Overlook? Most think it's just for developers. It's not. But it's perfect for aligning business operations and delivery. The executive benefit reduces cycle time for decisions and eliminates manual follow-ups. CEOs and leaders, are you frustrated with agile transformation that promise big but fail to deliver? You're not alone. But here's the truth. Success isn't about doing more. It's about doing it right. And I've created something that can change the game for you. I'm Ariestides Rosales, an agile strategist with over 20 years of experience guiding Fortune 500 companies through complex transformation. I've seen firsthand what separates the winners from the rest. It's a strategic approach that aligns execution with your business vision while staying ahead of the curve with AI-driven innovation. To help you achieve this, I've crafted the CEO's Playbook for Agile Success, Strategies for Thriving Transformation. This isn't your typical fluff-filled ebook. It's a practical, actionable guide that Fortune 500 leaders have used to unlock measurable results. And today, I'm giving it to you absolutely free. Inside this playbook, you'll discover three things. Proven frameworks for aligning strategy and execution. That's the first one. Number two, powerful insights to turn agile into a competitive advantage. And number three, cutting-edge techniques to leverage AI and innovation in your organization. This is your opportunity to shift from struggling with Agile to thriving with Agile. Whether you're starting out or refining your approach, this playbook is designed to work for you. Here's how you get it. Visit ariestides.com in the link below. Subscribe to my exclusive newsletter and download your free copy of the CEO's Playbook for Agile Success instantly. It's that simple, and your future self and your business will thank you for it. Don't wait for your competitors to gain the edge. The strategies in this playbook are being implemented by some of the most successful leaders today. This is your chance to access them for free. But I can't promise you this offer will last forever. Success this year belongs to those who act boldly and strategically. The road to your agile transformation starts here. Go to ariestides.com, start, and subscribe now and to claim your free playbook. Let's build the future of your business together. Tool number two, N8N. What it does, open source automation with full flexibility and data ownership. Use case for CEOs, create custom AI workflows that track risk signals across your Agile programs. Integrate disparate tools without vendor lock-in. Why it's Overlook? It's powerful but underutilized outside technical circles. The executive benefit enables tailored automation at scale without compromising governance. Tool number 3, Case.io or Testmo. What it does? Modern test management and reporting. The use case for CEOs: align QA metrics with product KPIs. Bring visibility to release quality before customers experience failure. Why it's Overlook? Seen as a QA only tool, but smart leaders use it to connect delivery to CX. Executive benefit: drives outcome driven conversations around product readiness and customer risk. How to use the right tool? There's 3. Ask yourself these questions. Does it reduce handoff and manual steps? That's number 1. Number 2, can my teams adopt it with minimal disruption? Number 3, will it give me new visibility, not just more noise? When the answer is yes to all of these, you've found a tool worth investing in. Bonus tip: run a tech stack alignment workshop. Gather your senior tech, product, and delivery leaders and ask these 3 questions. Number 1, what tasks are still manual but repeatable? Number 2, where are the hands-off most painful? Number 3, which tools are siloed and why? Then map automation opportunities, not just tool-first mindset, but from a friction-first mindset. Now, I'll recap and make a call to action. There's 3 items I want to recap on and highlight. Make.com, N8N, and Case.io or Testmo are powerful tools most executives overlook. That's number 1. Number 2, they solve real business pain, which highlights in alignment, transparency, and speed. Number 3, use them to empower your teams, not just replace them. Now, what automation tools are working for you? Or where are you in seeing this friction? Let me know in the comments down below. I will reply to every thoughtful question. If this video opened your eyes to what's possible, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell for more executive level Agile and AI insights. And don't miss my last video, how to avoid losing trust when automating Agile metrics. It's a perfect companion to today's topic. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.